Hi guys, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to get your USDT ERC20 address on your Metamask. So if you're new to this channel, do well to tap on the subscription button, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. So for you to be able to do that, this is what you have to do. If you look at your MetaMask, you see that you have only one token here, one crypto here, which is Ethereum. So for you to get more crypto, you have to tap on the import token here. Now search for USDT. Then tap on Tether USD. Tap on next. Tap on import. Okay, now I've imported my Tether USD to my Metamask Wallet. So the next thing I have to do is to tap on these two arrows below the screen here. Then tap on receive crypto. Now I can now copy my receive payment address, and now copying it, this is the address I'm looking for. So if I copy this address, now we can now send it to the wallet that I wish to send it to in order to receive payment through it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.